Hello, my friends. Guess what? It's almost time for another HSN preview night. Yay! Now, January 21st, I'm going to be doing a free online event where I share with you the new HSN items. And there are a couple there. Look at that. Woo, exciting. And we're going to have raffles. We're going to have fun. It's going to be the preview night, and you're going to get to see. And the best part about it is I demonstrate each and every item. And I get to spend time with the item. I get to tell you about it. I get to show it to you, and I get to go step by step. It's kind of like I get more time, so I really want to share it with you. So that's coming up. I'm going to be live on HSN January 26th, times to be announced. So check in with me January 21st, live event Thursday at 4 o'clock. We're going to have a great time. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.